In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to unlink your Epic Games account from your Rockstar Social Club account. Start by going to both your Epic Games and Rockstar Social Club settings. Go to Accounts, Apps and Accounts in your Epic Games account. Here, you'll notice that the Social Club linking option isn't available. Likewise, in your Rockstar Social Club settings, under Linked Accounts, you won't see Epic Games either. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. Open the Rockstar support page and select Social Club as the category. Within the Social Club section, look for account linking options. Provide details like your PSN ID, gamer tag, or social club nickname in the description. Request to unlink your Epic Games account, and don't forget to include your Epic Games account ID. You can find this in your Epic Games settings. Once all details are filled out, submit the ticket. Rockstar support team typically responds within 24 hours, so keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you unlink your Epic Games account from your Rockstar Social Club account.